A car paint thickness gauge is an essential tool for checking paint quality, detecting previous repairs, and evaluating a vehicle's condition before buying or detailing. With fast, accurate measurements on both steel and aluminum surfaces, these devices provide valuable insights for professionals and car enthusiasts alike. Here are the 5 best car paint thickness gauges you should consider. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Uni-T UT343D Car Paint Thickness Gauge. Whether inspecting a used vehicle before purchase or verifying coating quality during professional maintenance, having an accurate coating thickness gauge can provide valuable information that is impossible to determine by visual inspection alone. The Uni-T UT343D Car Paint Thickness Gauge is designed to deliver dependable measurements across automotive paint, metal coatings, and ceramic surfaces with professional-grade precision. Combining intelligent material recognition, durable sensor technology, flexible calibration options, and advanced data management, this instrument is well-suited for automotive technicians, body shop professionals, vehicle inspectors, detailers, and serious car enthusiasts. One of the strongest advantages of the UT343D is its ability to provide highly accurate coating thickness measurements on both ferrous and non-ferrous materials. Instead of relying on assumptions about paint condition, users can quickly determine whether a vehicle retains its original factory finish or has undergone repainting or body repairs. This makes the device particularly valuable when evaluating secondhand vehicles, identifying accident repairs, assessing paint quality, or verifying coating consistency during automotive restoration. Reliable measurement results help users make better decisions while reducing the risk of overlooking hidden repairs. A major convenience comes from its automatic substrate recognition capability. The gauge intelligently detects whether the tested surface is ferrous or non-ferrous without requiring manual selection. This automatic identification speeds up inspections while minimizing the possibility of user error. Professionals performing multiple inspections throughout the day benefit from a smoother workflow, while less experienced users can obtain dependable measurements without needing extensive technical knowledge about different substrate types. The measuring performance is further enhanced by high-quality sensors engineered for precision, durability, and long-term stability. Designed to withstand frequent professional use, the wear-resistant sensors maintain consistent accuracy across repeated measurements. Whether inspecting dozens of vehicles in a dealership or performing routine quality control in a repair facility, users can rely on dependable readings that remain stable over time. Consistent sensor performance is essential for detecting subtle coating differences that may indicate previous repairs or uneven paint application. Pros: automatic detection, data storage, high accuracy, durable sensors. Cons: PC learning, professional focus. Number 4. Habotest HT616 Car Paint Thickness Gauge. Inspecting automotive paint quality requires more than a careful visual examination, especially when evaluating used vehicles, checking repair work, or performing professional detailing. The Habotest HT616 Car Paint Thickness Gauge is designed to deliver accurate coating measurements with dependable performance across a wide range of automotive applications. Combining automatic calibration, intelligent material detection, generous data storage, and a bright backlit display, this compact measuring instrument provides an efficient solution for technicians, vehicle inspectors, detailers, body shop professionals, and anyone who needs reliable coating thickness information. One of the key strengths of the HT616 is its impressive measuring precision. Offering a fine resolution of 0.1 micrometers and 0.01 mils, the gauge is capable of detecting even very small differences in paint or coating thickness. This level of detail is particularly valuable when identifying repainted panels, verifying factory paint consistency, or evaluating repair quality after collision work. Accurate readings help users identify hidden bodywork that may not be visible to the naked eye, making the device an excellent companion during vehicle inspections and purchasing decisions. The generous measuring range of 0 to 1500 micrometers adds significant versatility to the instrument. It can accurately evaluate both thin factory paint layers and much thicker protective coatings, allowing it to handle a broad variety of inspection tasks. Whether measuring automotive paint, protective films, industrial coatings, or specialized surface treatments, the HT616 provides dependable results across different coating thicknesses without requiring multiple measuring devices. This flexibility makes it suitable for professional workshops as well as general maintenance and inspection work. Ease of operation is enhanced by the built-in automatic calibration system. Rather than requiring frequent manual adjustments before every inspection, the gauge automatically calibrates itself to maintain reliable performance throughout repeated use. This intelligent feature simplifies operation while helping maintain approximately 3% measurement accuracy across different surfaces. Users can begin inspections more quickly with greater confidence that the readings remain consistent, reducing setup time and minimizing the possibility of calibration errors affecting the final results. Pros: auto calibration, high resolution, large memory, backlit display. Cons: professional tool, learning curve. Number 3. Fnirsi CTG-20 Car Paint Thickness Gauge. Checking the true condition of a vehicle's paintwork requires more than careful observation, and this compact coating thickness gauge is designed to provide the accurate information that visual inspection alone cannot reveal. The Fnirsi CTG-20 Car Paint Thickness Gauge offers dependable coating measurement for automotive professionals, used car buyers, detailers, insurance inspectors, and repair technicians who need reliable data when evaluating paint quality. With its portable design, clear display, built-in battery, and accurate measuring capability, the device helps users identify hidden repairs and coating variations with confidence. One of the most valuable features of the CTG-20 is its ability to measure coating thickness from 0 to 1,400 micrometers with dependable consistency. This wide measuring range allows users to inspect factory paint, repaired panels, putty applications, and powder-coated surfaces using a single instrument. Whether examining a second-hand vehicle before purchase, verifying repair quality after bodywork, or conducting routine automotive inspections, the gauge provides accurate readings that help uncover repainting, filler material, or uneven coating thickness that may otherwise remain unnoticed. Reliable measurement data enables better decision-making while reducing the uncertainty often associated with visual inspections. The device supports measurement on multiple surface types, including ferrous materials, non-ferrous materials, and galvanized metal. This versatility makes it suitable for inspecting modern vehicles that frequently combine steel, aluminum, and coated components within the same body structure. Instead of manually changing measurement settings for different materials, users can perform inspections across various automotive panels with greater convenience, making the instrument useful for both professional workshops and independent vehicle evaluations. A bright backlit display enhances usability by ensuring measurements remain easy to read, regardless of surrounding lighting conditions. Whether working inside garages, body shops, parking structures, or dim inspection areas, the illuminated screen presents measurement results clearly without requiring additional lighting. Improved visibility allows users to review readings quickly while reducing eye strain during extended inspection sessions, helping maintain both speed and accuracy throughout the entire evaluation process. Pros: wide range, backlit display, portable design, rechargeable battery. Cons: single purpose, basic memory. Number 2. R&D TC100 Car Paint Thickness Gauge. Evaluating the condition of automotive paint or industrial coatings requires more than a careful visual inspection, and a dependable coating thickness gauge can reveal valuable information that is otherwise impossible to detect. The R&D TC100 Car Paint Thickness Gauge is designed to provide accurate coating measurements across a wide range of surfaces, making it an excellent choice for automotive inspectors, body shop technicians, professional detailers, quality control specialists, and used car buyers. By combining high measuring precision, automatic material recognition, calibration support, and international safety compliance, this compact instrument delivers reliable performance for both professional and personal applications. A major strength of the TC100 is its exceptional measuring resolution of 0.1 micrometers and 0.01 mils. This fine level of precision allows users to identify even very small differences in coating thickness, making it easier to detect repainted panels, repaired bodywork, or inconsistent paint application. Whether inspecting a vehicle before purchase, evaluating repair quality after collision work, or checking industrial surface coatings, the gauge provides dependable readings that support more informed decisions. The ability to measure subtle coating variations is particularly valuable for professionals who require consistent and repeatable inspection results. The generous measuring range of 0 to 1,300 micrometers further increases the versatility of the instrument. It is capable of evaluating everything from thin factory paint layers to thicker protective coatings used in industrial environments. This broad range makes the TC100 suitable not only for automotive paint inspections, but also for testing coated metal surfaces, machinery components, protective finishes, and manufacturing quality control processes. Users can confidently handle a variety of inspection tasks without needing multiple specialized measuring devices. Ease of operation is enhanced by the intelligent Auto-FE and NFE detection system. The gauge automatically recognizes whether the tested surface is ferrous or non-ferrous, eliminating the need for manual material selection before every measurement. This automatic identification improves workflow while minimizing user error, especially when inspecting modern vehicles that often feature both steel and aluminum body panels. The simplified operation allows both experienced professionals and first-time users to obtain accurate readings quickly and efficiently. Pros: high resolution, auto detection, calibration function, wide range. Cons: technical learning. Number 1, and the winner is SndWay SW-6310B Car Paint Thickness Gauge. Achieving accurate coating measurements is essential when inspecting vehicle paint, evaluating repair quality, or performing industrial quality control. And this professional coating thickness gauge is built to handle those demanding tasks with confidence. The SndWay SW-6310B Car Paint Thickness Gauge combines high measuring precision, intelligent display features, rechargeable convenience, and advanced data management into a compact instrument suitable for automotive technicians, body shop professionals, inspectors, detailers, and manufacturing specialists. Its practical design allows users to perform reliable coating inspections quickly while maintaining excellent consistency across repeated measurements. One of the most impressive aspects of the SW-6310B is its ability to measure coating thickness over a broad range of 0 to 1,700 micrometers, while providing an exceptionally fine resolution of 0.1 micrometers. This level of precision enables users to detect even minor differences in paint or protective coatings, making it easier to identify previous repairs, filler applications, repainting, or uneven coating distribution. Whether evaluating a used vehicle before purchase or monitoring coating quality during manufacturing, the gauge delivers dependable readings that support informed decisions and professional inspection standards. Reliable measurement accuracy is further supported by its built-in calibration function, delivering measurement accuracy of approximately plus or minus 2+2% micrometers and plus or minus 2.5% micrometers. The device provides consistent results throughout repeated inspections. Calibration allows users to verify and maintain measuring performance over time, ensuring dependable operation even during intensive daily use. This capability is especially valuable for workshops, inspection centers, and industrial environments, where repeatable measurement accuracy directly affects quality control and customer confidence. The user experience is enhanced by a bright 2.0-inch display that automatically rotates according to the position of the instrument. This intelligent screen orientation keeps measurement results easy to read, regardless of how the gauge is held, reducing unnecessary repositioning during inspections. Combined with the integrated backlight, the display remains clearly visible in garages, workshops, production facilities, and other low-light environments, allowing users to continue working comfortably without sacrificing readability or measurement accuracy. Pros: high resolution, auto rotation, data storage, rechargeable battery. Cons: professional setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.